Jai Hind everyone. In our previous video, we have solved question number 5 and 6 from exercise 12.3. In this video, we will solve question number 7, 8 and 9. So let's begin. As you can see, question number 7, 8 and 9 are written here. Simplify and find value if x equals 3, a equals -1, b equals -2. This is our 7th question. Two algebraic expressions are given. First we will simplify them, then we will put value. So the first one here is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. So in order to simplify it, we need to put the like terms together. So 3x is like term with minus x and minus 5 is like term with plus 9. Okay. Now 3x minus x we get 2x and minus 5 plus 9 on solving we get plus 4. Now we will put the value of since this only contains the variable x, so we will put the value of x here. So x equals -3 we will put here. So 2 into, sorry, it is 3 only. So 2 into 3 plus 4 at x equals to 3. Now 2 3s are 6 plus 4 we get 10. So this is our answer. This is the simplified version of the given algebraic expression, and after putting value we get the answer. Now think, what if we directly put the value of x here? What will happen? Will we still get the answer same? Yes, we will still get the answer 10, but then we will not follow what question is asking us. Question is asking us first to simplify and find value. So without simplifying, if you directly will put value, then your solution cannot be considered as, and you can say completely correct solution, because we always have to follow the instructions given in the question, not more, not less. Now question number, sorry, this was the 7th question. Now 7.3. So 7th third part is 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Let's simplify it. So we get 3a minus 8a plus 5 minus 1. 3a minus 8a gives us minus 5a, and plus 5 minus 1 on solving we get plus 4. Now here we will put the value of a, which is equal to minus 1. So minus 5 into minus 1 plus 4 at a equals minus 1. I have put the value of a here in bracket because before negative here is the multiply sign also. We cannot put two sign back to back, so that is why I have introduced a bracket. Now minus 5 into minus 1. Minus into minus gives us plus. 5 ones are 5, and this is already plus 4. So 5 plus 4 gives us the answer 9. So value of 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1 at a equals minus 1 gives us the answer 9. Hope this solution is clear. Now let us move to the 5th part. So in 5th part also, the same algebraic expression is given. We have to find out its value at a equals to minus 1 and b equals minus 2. Let's begin. So first we will write the given algebraic expression. Now we will put the like terms together. That is 2a plus a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5. Now we will simplify the like terms. that is 2a plus a, 3a. Minus 2b will be as it is because there is no like term for b part. Now minus 5, minus 4, minus 5 gives us minus 9. Now we will put the values. So it will be written as 3 into minus 1. Minus 2 will be multiplied with minus 2. And then we get minus 9. So minus 3 into minus 1 gives us minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 2 we get plus 4. And then there is minus 9. So what we do? Now we will put minus 3 and minus 9 together. So minus 3 minus 9 plus 4. It means minus 12 plus 4. We get minus 8. So minus 8 is the answer. Now let us move to the 8th question. I am going to erase. So the 8th question is asking us, 8th first part is there. So if z equals to 10, then find the value of z cube minus 3 into the bracket z minus 10. So we have got z cube minus 3 into the bracket z minus 10. So now we can put the value directly also, or we can leave it as it is. So first let us simplify this. So it will become z cube minus 3z plus 30. While multiplying, be very clear, because if you do the signs wrong, then your answer will not correct. Make sure that you are multiplying correctly. Negative into positive, negative, negative into negative, positive. Okay? Step by step, easily one by one multiply. Now we will put the value. So z value is 10. So it will be 10 cube minus 3 into 10 plus 30. At z equals 10. Now what is the value of 10 cube? 10 into 10 into 10 gives us 1000. 1000 minus 30 plus 30. Now minus 30 plus 30 gives us 0. So answer is what? 1000. This is our answer. Such an easy question. Now hope you have understood the solution of 7th and 8th. Let's move to the last question, which is the 9th one. So question number 9 is saying, if 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 at x equals 0, means when we put the value of x 0 in this equation, its value is equal to 5. Okay? Solution. We have given, how do we write? We have given 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5. Whatever it is given in form of a statement, I have written in form of equation. But at x equals to 0. So now I will put the value of x0 in this equation. Let's see what we get. 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a equals 5. Okay. Right now I have only put the value of x 0. Rest things are as they were. Now 2 into 0 we get 0 because 0 square is also 0, plus 0 minus a equals 5. It means that minus a is equal to 5. We have got the answer? No. Because question is asking us find the value of a. Here the a is positive and here the a is negative. So how we do that? I will multiply both the sides with minus a. Okay? Sorry, minus 1. I will multiply both the sides by minus 1. So minus 1 into minus a equals minus 1 into 5. If we multiply both the sides of equation with the same number, then also the equation is balanced. So minus 1 into minus a, minus into minus, plus 1 into a equals minus into plus, minus 1 into 5. Since plus is not necessary to write, we get the value of a as minus 5. Okay, so this is our answer. If x square plus x minus a equals to 5, at x equals 0, then value of a will be minus 5. Okay, so that's all for today. In next video we will solve question number 10. Thank you.